Ever heard about lubrication pockets? Lubrication pockets are small indentations on the screw surface. We've done a lot of research on how the best surface of a lead screw has to look like. The ideal screw surface is slightly wavy, just a couple of microns. Why is that the case? Because in these indentations, the lubrication is stored. That's why we call them lubrication pockets. And that really greatly benefits your product. Why is that? Ever heard about the stick-slip effect? The stick-slip effect occurs when the lubrication is squeezed out between nut and screw surface. And then these two surfaces are being cold welded together. And that's the absolute nightmare for your product. Imagine you take two sheets of glass and press them against each other, so any liquid in between is being squeezed out. And that's exactly what happens to a nut and a screw when the surface is too smooth. And especially for large screw components, like you see here next to me, the surface of the screw really matters. And these small indentations, they really help to store the lubrication. In the science world, this is known. But so far, nobody could really control this process or identify the ideal surface. How do these hills and valleys have to look like? Talking 20 microns, 2 microns? Do they have to be close together or far apart? We've done a 2.5-year research project just to find the ideal screw surface. And with the University of Hanover, we identified the ideal structure. So we compared several different geometries and we came up with a structure which in the end reduced the friction by up to 28%. And this is really a game changer for you because this reduction in friction directly translates into longer lifetime. Yeah, the surface structure of threaded components. We're really passionate about it and we really want to create real value for you. And if you want to learn more about this, then get in touch with us. We can provide you with the corresponding scientific papers and we can help you to improve your products.